was just going to show real quick. You see these, all the joints and connections are made with these tabs and slots. So this is a slot here, and you see on this piece, these are the tabs, and it basically just kind of locks in from underneath. You see how that comes up in there. So we're going to weld one up and show you kind of how it fits up. All right, I was just going to show a close-up of the slot. You can see it's got a deep slot down in there to take the weld material. You're not supposed to weld here or here. The key is minimize the amount of heat and therefore the amount of distortion that could occur. Not to be critical, but I saw Mr. Tig's video on this, and the one he TIG welded, he went really slow on and got a big heat affecting zone around the edge of it. And then when he migged it all the way, pretty close to the top and filled it all in. It's really just meant to have a quick pass in there to weld the bottom of the plate to the top of the slot there. So this is kind of what it looks like when we start, and then we're going to weld it. And you see the weld bead laid inside there and really did not catch the edge. Maybe one area right there where it nipped it just a touch. So after we're going to weld it, we're going to wire brush it. All right, so we use the wire brush to get down in the groove to catch any slag and so forth in there. And then we're going to just hit it really quick with a fine grit flat disc, 120 grit. All right, so you see we got it welded here and down in the groove and in there, and there's no weld buildup across the top. Again, this has got 100 welds on it. This does not have to be, fully filled, fully penetrated. The key is minimizing the heat. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Metalwork Monday. My name is Gary. As you saw this week, we put together these Fabblock welding tables, fixturing tables by weldtables.com. I've got a link here in the description as well. Some of you may have seen these if you're on YouTube. Mr. Tig and also the guy that does the MIG welding stuff has both put these together, and there's a couple other videos out there of some guys putting them together as well. Pretty straightforward build, a little bit more involved than you would think just kind of looking at it. Takes a little bit longer than you think, but really not too bad overall. Everything's slotted and tabbed as I showed you in the video, and it's just a matter of putting it together, getting it squared up, and welding it. So hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you again next week. Thanks everybody.